Well, moving on from there to answer all your fund queries, we're joined by Renu Porton of fundsupermart.com. First up, Vijay Prakash calls in from Chennai. Hi, Vijay. What's your question?
Hi. See, I have three funds of mine in the Sundaram, with the Sundaram portfolio: Sundaram Financial Services Opportunities, Sundaram Select Midcap, and Sundaram Select Thematic PSU. Now, these funds have not been doing too well over the last 1 year, and so just wanted to find out. Actually, it's way below the capital that I invested on this. So just wanted to find out what do I do with these funds.
Right. Renu, what's your advice to Vijay? He owns, rather he's invested in three of the Sundaram funds. Should he continue holding on to his investments or should he sort of liquidate these?
Okay, going through the portfolio, what I think is that almost a lakh is invested in sector funds, and then he has around 65,000 into a multi-cap fund. A mid-cap fund. What I think that if that's his core portfolio, then I think you need to rebalance. One reason is that core portfolio should not be just made up of sectoral funds. It should also have your, it should also consist of some good diversified funds. So you should actually diversify your portfolio across different categories. And as far as the fund selection is concerned, the two sector funds from the Sundaram stable are not performing well. So maybe you can take an exit call, and since your time horizon that you've given me is, that you have in mind is 2 years, maybe you can consider investing into a large cap fund like an ICICI Focus Blue Chip, or you can go into a balanced fund like an HDFC Prudence. There you get an exposure of both equity and debt. One another problem with this portfolio that you've made is whenever you make a portfolio, make sure that it's not only diversified across categories, it also needs to be diversified across fund houses. Otherwise, you get to you get to feel the concentration risk is there because entire funds are just from one fund house.
Right. On that note, we'll take a quick break. We'll come back, but continue taking up your fund queries. So stay with us. Welcome back. You're watching Talk Money. We have with us Jairam Krishnan now, who calls in from Chennai. Hi, Jairam. What's your question?
Hi. Good morning.
Good morning.
This is Jairam Krishnan from Chennai. I'm investing 15,000 per month in 7 mutual funds. I have shared my portfolio with you, and my query is I like to invest for another 15 years, and my target is 2 crores. So, kindly let me know whether I can achieve that goal.
Absolutely, Jairam. Renu, I'll just take you to Jairam's portfolio very quickly. Invest about 2,000 in DSP BlackRock Top, 2,000 in ICICI Pru, 2,000 in HDFC Pru, 1,500 in Fidelity Equity, about 1,500 in Birla Sun Life Dividend Yield Plus, 1,500 in Reliance Gold, 1,500 in Quantum Long Term. The next 10 years, he's looking to accumulate 2 crores. What is your advice? Is that achievable?
As far as let me first go through the portfolio, and Jairam, you have actually all the funds that you've selected in your portfolio is definitely very good, and the amount of 15,000 you plan for the next 15 to 20 years. So what I think that the only thing that needs to be done in this portfolio, I see it's a bit conservative. It's on the conservative side because you have 2 large caps, then you have multi caps, 2 multi caps, Fidelity Equity and Quantum Long Term, which are both a bit have a good tilt towards the large cap space, and then you Birla Dividend Yield. That's again a conservative kind of a fund, and then you have a gold fund. So the portfolio looks very conservative. Maybe I think you have age on your side, and if you're ready to take risks, maybe you should either expand this portfolio and include 1 or 2 more funds, or since you already have 7-8 funds, it's quite a diversified portfolio. Maybe you should cut down on funds like you have 2 in the large cap, so maybe you can have just 1, and you have 2 in the multi cap space, so there also you can cut down on 1 fund, and you should take a bit more riskier categories, like you should consider mid caps and even sectoral funds. Our good bets in the mid-cap space currently are HDFC Mid-Cap Opportunities and also IDFC Sterling Fund. It was previously called IDFC Small and Mid-Cap Fund, and you can also look at sectoral space. You can look at an ICICI Infra Fund, or you can look at Reliance Banking. We're quite positive on these two sectors in the long term. So try to rebalance this portfolio. Otherwise, I don't think there's any need to make changes. Why I'm saying that you need to take a risk, you need to consider riskier categories in your fund list, is because they tend to, mid caps especially, tend to outperform over the long time period. So that's why this kind of advice.
Right. Thanks a ton, Renu, for joining us and helping our viewers with their mutual fund queries. We'll slip into a break, but up next is the big story, so keep it with us.